You're using Notion AI completely wrong, and it's costing you hours every single day. Most people think Notion AI is just for writing assistants, but there's a hidden workflow automation system that can literally run your entire business on autopilot. Here's the problem. You're manually creating the same types of pages over and over. You're copying and pasting templates. You're spending 20 minutes setting up project databases when you could be doing it in 30 seconds. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. The solution is Notion AI's workflow automation features that most users never discover. I'm going to show you 8 game-changing automations that will transform how you work. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your AI content templates. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the Templates gallery. Click the plus icon in your sidebar, then select Template from the drop-down menu. Here's the secret most people miss: you can program Notion AI to automatically generate specific content types. In the template builder, click the / command and select AI block. Type your custom prompt like "Generate a weekly project status report with sections for completed tasks, blockers, and next week's priorities." Save this template with a clear name like AI Project Status Template. Step 2. Create database automation triggers. Click into any database in your Notion workspace. Look for the Properties panel on the right side. Add a new property and select Formula from the Property Type dropdown. This is where the magic happens. You can create formulas that automatically populate fields based on other data. For example, if you have a project database, create a formula that automatically assigns priority levels based on due dates and team size. Step 3. Build your AI content pipeline. Go to your main workspace and create a new page called Content Hub. Add a database view and configure it to show all your content pieces. Click the New button to create an entry, then use the / command to insert an AI writing block. Set up prompts like "Write a blog post outline about" followed by your topic property. This creates a seamless content generation workflow. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and help thousands of people master their productivity tools. Step 4. Implement smart page creation. This is where Notion AI gets incredibly powerful. Create a master database for all your projects. Add a template property that links to your AI-powered templates. When you create a new project entry, Notion automatically generates all the subpages you need using your AI templates. Click the 3 dots menu in your database, select Templates, and link your AI-powered templates to specific database entries. Step 5. Automate your meeting workflows. Create a meetings database with properties for date, attendees, and meeting type. Use Notion AI to create template prompts that automatically generate agendas based on meeting type. For example, generate a one-on-one meeting agenda focusing on career development and current project progress. Link this to a meeting notes template that uses AI to create action item summaries. Step 6. Set up intelligent task routing. In your task management database, create a status property with options like "To Do," "In Progress," and "Complete." Add an AI block that automatically generates next steps when tasks move to different statuses. When you mark a task as complete, Notion AI can suggest follow-up actions or related tasks to tackle next. Step 7. Build automated reporting systems. Create a reports database that pulls data from all your other databases. Use Notion's Rollup properties to aggregate information, then add AI blocks that generate executive summaries. Set up prompts like "Analyze this month's project data and provide insights on team performance and bottlenecks." Your reports write themselves. Step 8. Implement cross-database workflows. This is the advanced move that separates beginners from power users. Create relations between your different databases, projects, tasks, meetings, and contacts. Use Notion AI to populate information across these connections automatically. When you add a new team member to a project, AI can generate their onboarding checklist and assign relevant tasks. Now for the pro tips that will take this to the next level. First, create AI prompt libraries. Build a dedicated page with your best performing AI prompts organized by category. This saves massive time and ensures consistency across your workspace. Second, use conditional AI blocks. Set up prompts that change based on database properties. Your content generation becomes context-aware and infinitely more useful. Third, leverage AI for data cleanup. Create prompts that standardize formatting across your databases. Notion AI can fix inconsistent naming, categorize items, and even detect duplicate entries. Fourth, set up AI-powered reviews. Create prompts that analyze your completed projects and generate lessons learned or improvement suggestions. The game changer tip? Create feedback loops. Set up AI prompts that analyze the success of previous AI-generated content and suggest improvements for future automation. Your workflows literally get smarter over time. Here's what this looks like in practice. Sarah, a marketing director, implemented these workflows and reduced her weekly admin time from 8 hours to 90 minutes. Her team's project setup time dropped by 75%. Most importantly, her content quality improved because she spent time on strategy instead of busy work. The biggest mistake people make is starting too complex. Pick one workflow, master it, then expand. Start with content templates, then move to database automation, then build your integrated systems. Each layer amplifies the previous one. Your assignment is simple. Choose one workflow from today's tutorial and implement it this week. Start with AI content templates if you do any writing. Go with database automation if you manage projects. Pick task routing if you're drowning in to-do lists. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These Notion AI workflows aren't just productivity hacks, they're the foundation for scaling your work without scaling your stress. Subscribe for more tutorials that transform how you work with technology, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving into advanced Notion API integrations that connect your entire tech stack.